I like this Barracuda too. This is a nice looking car.
It's a nice color. It goes good with the chrome. Yeah.
Or 23 window ones?
Yeah.
40.
Ho ho ho! Is one of these cars yours, Santa? Very nice. Very nice.
December 7th.
These Volkswagen buses.
No, right here in that clear room. Right, otherwise. Hey, why'd you park next to me?
He put permanent Christmas lights on his house.
Hey, I can't do the parade. Hey, Nate! Oh my God, it's the guy from Templeton again. Shit.
That's what I was thinking. Over at there.
November 8th is when Warbirds is going to
All the way to push.
How's it going, Kyle? How's it going, brother? How are you? Deja vu. It's kind of funny, like, you're either... I had actually bought.
I like this El Camino. That's a nice looking car.
Another one over here that's nice.
Huh.
Bye-bye, Leo. Bye-bye, Uncle Lulu.
Over there. And all of a sudden it's making all that noise and it's really hot.
Yeah, I was gonna do a Camaro, but I've always liked the Firebirds when I was in high school.
I mean, I'm
so
sure
I'm
if it's
like,
only a...
Take me to a car show. I bet you this truck has ostrich interior.
you don't see much of.
Thanks again for being here on this wonderful day, this awesome event. We're going 15 minutes behind, so if you got a 10 o'clock tour, or 11, show up at 11:15.
Talking to this guy at Castero with this Corvette. He's a nice guy.
They've been a little pricey.
Yeah.
You can when people over with that, yeah. Is he just giving them out or what?
What's there?
Yeah. You guys see that extra ticket? Huh? You guys see the extra ticket?
Sorry. You look like somebody.
Did you guys go to the tour? This is a 64, Gary. 64.
How come this is Steve Hovey's car?
And I think Doug would do like that. Yeah, I heard.
If you're nice, we use there. He's a nice guy.
It's right across the street. Yeah. So I want it, yeah. So when we're going down the road, I don't know. You can find out what's
son went was 63, so
And she just one day.
I don't think he's alive anymore. High performance, 300 horsepower. These V6s now are outperforming now.